Today's video is very useful not only for professionals but for cybersecurity beginners and students as well. I will talk about CIA Triad, that is the basic element of cybersecurity, and CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity and availability. When we go for any basic certification, say CEH, or any advanced certification, say CISSP, that is Certified Information Systems Security Professionals, then CIA is the common topic we study. When we try to understand security and risk management from professionals' point of view, we need to understand and implement the concepts of confidentiality, integrity and availability. This CIA triad is one of the cybersecurity essentials because it defines primary goals and objectives of a security infrastructure or any secure IT environment. The first principle of CIA triad is confidentiality. The goal of confidentiality is to prevent or minimize unauthorized access to data or information. Confidentiality focuses on ensuring that no one other than the intended recipient of a message receives the information or is able to access it. It prevents unauthorized users from accessing the information. Having confidentiality means your secure environment offers a high level of assurance, meaning data, devices and resources are restricted for unauthorized access. Having confidentiality does not mean that your environment will not face cyber attacks. There may be numerous attacks that focus on the violation of confidentiality. These attacks may be social engineering attacks, escalation of privileges, port scanning, capturing network traffic and stealing passwords, then sniffing, etc. Violation of confidentiality are not limited to these attacks only. There are many instances of unauthorized information disclosure of sensitive or confidential information because of human error. It may be oversight or inaptitude of the cybersecurity team. So what we can do? We can implement security controls that can be implemented to ensure confidentiality, and those controls may be encryption, access controls and steganography, etc. Now we talk about the second principle of CIA triad, that is integrity. Integrity protection means there is no unauthorized modification of data or information, meaning there is no alteration. Whether it is operating system or any other software that are associated with the device or data are not compromised. Protection from unauthorized modifications means protection against malicious unauthorized activities by viruses, intrusions, and of course human error. At times, unintentional alterations have been found when administrator was transferring data from one device to another device. Alterations should not happen even during transit or while processing some information, or even when you are taking the backup for storage purpose. If there has been any minute alteration in some file or any associated file has been deleted, it is considered as integrity breach. Integrity breach may happen because of a misconfigured security control also. Therefore, activity logging should be implemented to ensure that only authorized users are able to access their respective resources, and in case of any security breach or say integrity breach, we should be able to find out who accessed by accessing the login files. Now we talk about the third principle of CIA triad, that is availability. Availability ensures that supporting infrastructure such as network services, access controls mechanism, etc. are fully functional and only authorized users can access the resources. Threats to availability may occur due to device failure, system errors, and environmental issues such as heat, power loss, flooding, etc. There are some cyber attacks that focus on the violation of availability. It may be denial of service, that is DOS attack, or say device restriction, or say communication interruptions. Availability breaches may occur if accidentally some files are deleted, or by overutilizing a hardware or software, or by underallocating resources, or even by mislabeling or incorrectly classifying the devices. Availability depends upon integrity and confidentiality both. Without integrity and confidentiality, availability cannot be maintained. So I hope you understood CIA Triad very well. The attacks that may lead to confidential breach, integrity breach, or availability breach, and the steps we can take to ensure CIA. In case of any question, do write in the comment box. Hit like button, subscribe, and share the channel Cyberpathshala India with others as well, so that information can reach up to more people.